What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you see, we got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 on deck, and today we're doing the first case video. Shout out to Pitaka. They sent out your boy the MagEZ Case 3 for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. As you can see, it's an ultra slim magnetic case, magnetic aka MagSafe. So we're gonna get right into this thing. It works with all your Pitaka accessories. It's made out of quality aramid fiber, 600D type. As you can see, this case is ultra slim, 3D grip, fusion weaving design. I love the fusion weaving, guys. Fusion weaving looks great. I like when they apply the colors and things of that nature in the weaving to the case. Looks really designer and quality. Wireless charging friendly, of course, and is, like I said, again, MagSafe. And as you can see, we got the Overture fusion weaving. So this is a really nice package. And like I said, everything that comes from Pitaka, it's like almost designer like type level. Alternative tech life. Basically open it up like a book, guys. And as you can see, we are greeted with a gorgeous case. Look at this. Look at you can see the weaving. You can feel the texture almost through the cameras. You can see the Pitaka branding. You can see the Overture pattern with the green and the red. Looks really dope. Like I said, designer type vibes, exclusive vibes, upper echelon vibes. Nice cutout for the camera already with some protrusion around it and some protection. So they just got some simple instructions in the box under the case. We don't need those. Now this is a two-part case, as you can see, and we've got that MagSafe going on. I love MagSafe being on Android products. Very dope. I think that's future-proofing your cases when you add MagSafe. And we got double-sided tape just to make sure it stays on the device. So I'm really going to apply these because this is one of my favorite cases, and I'm definitely just about to be rocking out with this MagEZ Case 3. So I'm going to apply it to the device, make sure it's on there right, and I'm gonna let y'all see what it's looking like. Here we go from the back with this Pitaka case, guys. It looks really good. I like this fusion weaving. I like these patterns. I like this style. I like how it's covered around the camera. The camera looks very dope. They just did a really good job of cleaning up the camera and things of that nature. One thing I do notice is it is a little space down here where the hinge is, or like where's though it's the case, the two parts seem like they may be a little short. I think they do this to not be in the way of the hinge at all. Of course, with a case like this, you get a minimal raised lip protection. But you see, you got some beautiful cutouts so you can still see that black aluminum on the device. Down here for the Type-C, you completely cut out for your speaker and your microphones and things of that nature. Now, this is a minimal style case, guys. This is one of the cases that you get because you like the carbon fiber, you like minimal cases. This is not a big rugged case. This is not an out of box. This is kind of like a lifestyle case. This is kind of like an acquired taste. That's why I call it designer. But definitely right up my alley. I love all the aramid fiber cases with different textures, and I try to be very careful with my phones. I know this case will protect my device, but you still have to be very careful. This is not a super big boasted up case. This is a minimal case, and if you're in a super protection rugged, this may not be the case for you. If you're in a carbon fiber, minimalism and things of that nature, this may be something you want to check out. But this is the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Thanks for coming through. I'm out. Peace.